Ever feel like your bank account ghosted you, like 1 minute you're vibing and the next, poof, it's gone?
Huh?
Well, it turns out it's not just bad luck, it's you. Today I'm calling out the 3 biggest habits that keep you broke, like Netflix and no chill broke. Stick around because fixing number 3 might just save your life. Literally.
Literally.
Ya Allah.
Let's start with the classic mistake, living like a millionaire before you've made your first 1,000. I'm talking fancy brunches, designer bags, and upgrading your phone every year. Sound familiar?
I don't like where this is going.
Now here's the fix. Instead of upgrading everything, upgrade your savings account. Live like you're broke until your bank account says otherwise. But let me tell you, even if you nail this, there's another habit that can still keep you broke.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And if you're into online shopping, you'll want to hear this next one. Impulse buying. 1 minute you're scrolling through your FYP, and the next you've got a waffle maker, a unicorn mug, and a yoga mat, even though the closest you've come to yoga is stretching to grab your phone charger.
Emotional, damn it!
It's all fun and games until you check your bank balance and wonder, wait, where did my money
We
go?
don't do that here.
Here's what you should do. The next time you're tempted by a limited time offer or a flash sale, pause. Ask yourself, will this actually add value to my life, or will I forget about it in 30 days? Be honest, because most of the time, the answer is a hard no. And hey, if it's really a must-have, it'll still be there after you've given it some thought. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Not saving for emergencies is like skydiving without a parachute. It's not if you'll crash, but when. Life happens, your car breaks down, a surprise medical bill lands in your lap, or your phone decides to retire early. Without an emergency fund, one hiccup can send you spiraling into debt faster than you can say loan approved. Here's the deal, an emergency fund isn't a luxury, it's a lifesaver. And no, you don't need to start with thousands of dollars. Begin small, set aside just $10 a week. That's one less fancy coffee or random online impulse buy. Over time, it grows into a safety net you can actually count on. Because trust me, future you doesn't want to be the person asking like, Mom, can you help me out again?